Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So before I start to clean, I like to put this lemongrass essential oil into my diffuser. It's awesome for the kitchen because it's a natural insect repellent, it's good for stress, and it's a natural air freshener. So it just makes the kitchen smell really good and fresh. As you can see, my kitchen's a total disaster. I've worked all weekend, so it's time to clean this up. So I'm just gonna start by unloading the dishwasher. These are all clean. And I pretty much have like a theme going here. As you can see, everything's like pink and rose gold. It's just the theme of my kitchen and I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna start by putting everything back in its place so that we can load all those dirty dishes in the sink into the dishwasher. I even washed these cute little drain stoppers from Marshall's. I have a pig one and a flamingo one. They're super cute. I love them. So then I'm just going to put away all my silverware. Then I'm just gonna kind of clean up all the dishes in the sink and just kind of get anything that's like stuck to the bowls just so it can get a really good clean in the dishwasher. If you don't get like the really sticky or greasy stuff or food chunks out of there, it's not gonna take it off in the dishwasher. So I'm sure you pretty much all know that, but that's what I like to do before I put it in there. Then I'm just gonna load that up in the dishwasher. And I'm not gonna start it yet just because I don't have that many dirty dishes, so there's no point. Then after all those dirty dishes are out of the sink, I love to clean the sink and have to. I like to use this dish soap that I also got from HomeGoods and just scrub the sink clean. I just use this wet washcloth and some of that dish soap, and then I'm just gonna throw this washcloth in the washer because I'm not gonna wash plates and everything after I've already cleaned the sink with the same washcloth. That's just common sense though. After the sink's all clean, I'm just gonna add those drain stoppers in. And I'm gonna take these disinfecting wipes and then we're gonna wipe down the stove because the stove tends to get very greasy and dirty. That's probably the dirtiest thing in the kitchen right now just because I do a lot of cooking. So I'm just gonna wipe all of that down. Especially this back part, it tends to get really greasy just from my hands and cooking and all the cooking oils. And I realized that after the disinfecting wipe, I wanted to use the Windex and all over surface cleaner just to like give it even a deeper clean. Now I'm going to take those same disinfecting wipes and I'm just going to wipe down the counters. I use these and then again I use that Windex and Oliver surface cleaner. That's just what I have right now. I could probably get some better cleaning products, but we're working with what we got right now. I just moved in and, well, I moved in a while ago, but still, whatever. Haven't bought anything else. And then I'm just going to clean the microwave. So I'm going to take that Oliver surface and glass cleaner as well and I'm just going to wipe off as much as I can off of this plate from the microwave and then we're going to throw it in the dishwasher because it's actually pretty gross right now. So then I'm just wiping the inside of the microwave and getting that really clean. It has not been done in a while, so And then I'm going to wipe down my Keurig and coffee area just because the coffee tends to splatter and it gets kind of gross. So I'm just picking up things that are laying around the kitchen and wiping all those counters down as well. Next, I'm going to wipe down the fridge because just for sanitary reasons, everyone's in and out of the fridge, so it needs to be cleaned off. Then I'm going to take this magic eraser, and because I usually have like makeup on my hands or just like touching these white countertops after touching these white cabinets, it just tends to get pretty dirty, so that magic eraser will take off any dirt or makeup remover. And then I'm going to sweep and then vacuum. You want to get up as much dirt and everything before you vacuum, just because it's easier that way. I'm going to take this hose, and I like to use this for underneath the stove and underneath the fridge, just because there's hair and crumbs and who knows what, and it just really gets everything out of those little surfaces. And then I'm going to take my Swiffer, and I'm going to go in and pick up anything that the vacuum and the broom did not. And that's pretty much it, just for a quick cleaning routine, but it definitely gets the job done. It makes everything look so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.